Get out of here. Dōgo Onsen. Yeah. AJ, I've got to take a photo of it. And there's the clock too.
Really?
Yeah, there's the clock. And this is the train. Woo! Oh, it's so nice, huh?
Oh, it's neat.
It's more modern than I thought, huh?
Because it's got...
I have no idea what they're doing. It's incredible. And trains. I just think it's so damn cute. It's ridiculous. 1888. Fabrication's insane. A little bit modern in the back here, but I love the woodwork. There's even a telephone inside. Control room, we have lots and lots of shit. There you go, AJ. A little bit of the old machinery. I think the spring rate's about right. Yeah, I like it. It's just a veritable tramway of bloody trains and things with a pretty cool station. This can be my barbecue, like a pizza maker, fire down there, a little thing up the top. Yeah. And this is the station. That's what happens on the hour. It's a bit like being in Prague. See you at 5 o'clock. Oh, that's a trick. And look at this. Down it goes. Going to the last one's close. Oh, bye-bye. There's a bell. Good night. No idea what was in this place, Dōgo. But that bloody clock just cracked me up. Jazz is happily in her bath, and I've just found a little walking place. Not sure if I'm going up, but shit, I've never seen anything like it. if there was a train or a gondola going up, I'd give it a dash. But you'll see in a second. Have you ever seen anything like this? That is just nuts. Fuck, might as well give it a go, huh? You know, it's either this, walking up a million steps like this, we're going to have a beer. Might make a decision halfway up when I get to the boys here with the open mouths. Oh, it's not too bad. Ah, that's pretty good, huh? Yeah, it's cool. Bloody lot of work. Certainly makes the steps and concrete work around my old pole house seem a lot more easier. Yeah! Love it when people state the obvious. The couple up here said to me, "Did you walk up here?" And I said, "Can you see any wheels on my feet?" "Sure I did." Brilliant. Easier going down, but you have to watch your step. They're not exactly kind of the same height with the platform to stand on. So I've walked up and walked down. Pretty nice. So I think, time for a beer. They're just hammering this. Oh my god. And there's a beer place right next to it. An American IPA Dōgo beer. Actually, it's bloody good. Oishii beer, bikuru shite. So. And this is the whole Dōgo Onsen being restored. I seem to be going to one restoration place after another. And it makes the guy bloody tired. Shit, this beer is good.